Hey, what's up, my fellow YouTubers? Thank you so much for tuning back into another do-it-yourself video. So today's video will be turning a solid tube romper into a regular bodysuit. And if you have any type of solid tube romper that you no longer want, take it out and let's start this project. So you will need a black marker or a black Sharpie, scissors, and any type of bodysuit to use as a guideline, as a template on your knit romper. So this is my solid print knit romper that I no longer can't fit. So instead of me tossing it out, I wanted to turn it into a high cut tube top bodysuit. And on top of that, I save money. So let's get started. So yeah, so once you gather everything, you take out your scissors and then you basically make a mark beneath the bodysuit hemline. So once you make that cut, you will cut along the hemline and you will cut all the way down to the crotch area. But since we are using scissors, please be careful because I do not want anyone to cut themselves and I do not want you to end up bleeding. So be very careful when you are doing this project, especially if you choose to stand up. So if you don't want to freestyle it with the scissors, feel free to take out your marker and you will trace along the bodysuit hemline. Trace it all the way down to the crotch area. And since I wanted more of a high cut, cheeky, peekaboo tube top bodysuit, I decided to trace along the backside as well. But ladies, if you are not comfortable showing off your butt, feel free to use a different bodysuit that covers your whole backside. So we have the freestyling and then the marked area that we will cut. So if you don't want to do this standing up, feel free to do it on the floor, and plus it's much safer. So yeah, so you gather everything and you basically put your bodysuit on top of your knit romper. Take out your marker and mark beneath the bodysuit hemline. And you should end up with a curved line like this. That's if you choose to use a high cut bodysuit. And the other side is already pre-cut since I was freestyling that with scissors. And I don't have to mark it at all, but if you choose to mark it, just curve it all the way down to the crotch area. So once everything is nice and neat, remove your bodysuit. And then we will cut along that curved black line. And then just to be on the safe side, I also made a black line across of the cut so that when I do start cutting down, I want everything to be nice and even since I'm making a high cut tube top bodysuit. Here comes the fun part, you guys. So take out your scissors and cut along that curved black line. And you will also do the same on the other side. So these are the two curved black lines that I made in the front and in the back. So this part you can either toss it out or use it as a template guideline. I decided to use it as a guideline because I want everything to be nice and even. So I took that one piece and I basically put it on top of the pre-cut area. So once you get that aligned, take out your scissors and you will cut along the curve piece. And you guys keep in mind that this material was very stretchy, so if you have any type of knit tube romper that's very stretchy, you would basically have to cut and pull so that you wouldn't cut too much fabric off. And that's what I'm doing right here. So I'm just basically cutting and pulling and cutting and pulling. And you could toss those two parts out. And this is how my two top bodysuit turned out. So as I said, it's very high cut. It's very cheeky. That's what I wanted. And I wanted to show you guys the fronts, but I had to put on panties because I do not want YouTube, removing my video. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.